I bought this Armeg wood Beaver 12mm Auger drill bit, wood drill bit from Screwfix. 1.5 hours ago, I've drilled around 60 holes or 65, and it got damaged, the pilot bit, and see, and it just blunt slightly, and it's damaged here, all around the guiding thing. So I'm trying to sharpen it and see, but looks like it's pretty fast, drilling pretty fast actually. I'm impressed, but the thing is that after 60 holes it just damaged the whole thing. Now it's kind of blunt, and yeah, need to push it to go through. I was not really hardwood or anything, just plywood, 3/4 plywood, and for a rock climbing wall. But that's what happened. Let's see what happened. Yeah. Yeah, looks, sharpening works. I'm just doing by hand. Looks sharpened, but the quality wise, yeah, I can give 5 stars on this. Yeah, because this tooth, broken, the piling, the pilot bit. See these damaged ones here. Shame. I spent around £7 on this, but hopefully it will complete the job. Good luck. Bye for now.